Yes, hello everyone. Nandito na naman po ang inyong lingkod. Wala naman pong announcement so far sa ating company, but I would like to remind everyone this November, much better if the more we will do it earlier, our loyalty. Kasi what's in it with the loyalty ba? Bakit kailangan natin mag-loyalty? Kasi ang loyalty po is the key to our business in for life po. Okay? Ipaliwanag ko sa inyo, ano po yung significance ng loyalty when you place your loyalty every month. So ganito po kasi 'yon. Yung loyalty kasi po, marami po siyang maa-unlock na mga possible privileges to maximize your income. Okay? So first is, pag nag-loyalty po kasi tayo, mai-enjoy po natin yung credit points na possible nating ma-redeem sa kung anong gusto nating i-redeem na product. Okay? We have a lot of products, okay, in our redemption. So all you have to do is, when you place your loyalty every month, you have, especially if you are 150 and above, okay, na loyalty, mas malaki po yung chance that you can have a credit points that we can use for redemption. So yung redemption na yan, magagamit natin for having maintenance. Kung wala naman tayong maintenance, that's good. At least maintenance to prevent from any unwanted illnesses. Syempre ayaw natin 'yon, 'di ba? Or kung may sakit naman din tayo, at least meron tayong maintenance to prevent na hindi ma-provoke yung katawan natin sa posibleng maging cause ng sakit. Okay? So, why we have to loyalty? It's because not only you have to enjoy the privilege of having redemption, but this is also to maximize your income by having like for example, if someone will buy into your My Shop, okay? Yung My Shop natin, ma-operate kasi natin yung business na yan through selling using our My Shop in different area in the world. Kasi ang ating link is we can do business anywhere in the world because we're serving 90 countries all over the world, and we have 25 offices all over the world para po masiserve po natin yung ating mga prospects, mga customers outside the vicinity of the Philippines. Okay? So, not only that, na magka-income ka sa My Shop, of course, when you are going to sponsor, when you have your loyalty, and then you're going to sponsor a new affiliate, then it's the time na magkakaroon tayo ng rapid rewards, which is rapid income. We will not wait for 1 month, but we have to enjoy it every day or every week. Every time na meron tayong pinapasok na sponsor natin, especially pag fast start siya na 400 plus or 400 to 400 plus pataas, malaki ang makukuha nating rapid rewards. Okay? Matakin mo, in every person, kapag ikaw nakapag-loyalty, in every person na may papasok nyo na nag 400 LP, you are going to enjoy the 5,600. Okay? Then, the moment your sponsored affiliate nag-repeat ng purchase the following month as loyalty, then you're going to enjoy the 25% of their loyalty. Like for example, nag 400 LP sila as registration, pero they just buy at least 175 LP, yun lang yung ni-repeat nila as loyalty for the month. Then you are going to enjoy the 2,450 less 10%. Malaki pa rin kita yun. Yung 2,000 na yan, hindi lang yan iisa ang pinasok mo. Kung 5 yung pinasok mo, then you have at least more than 10,000 plus sa 5. Kung every person, meron kang 2,000 plus per person, di ba? Kung 5, na meron kang 10,000 plus through rapid rewards ng mga nag-loyalty nung last month na pinasok natin. So, a lot of chances nakikita po tayo sa ating paglo-loyalty. Okay? So we are not going to enjoy the redemption having a very, very low amount of product, which is 85% discount kasi we are just paying the VAT, which is 12%. So, ganyan kaganda po ang ating offer ng company natin. Then the moment you have your redemption, the product that you were able to get from the redemption, you can sell it into SRP price. Like for example, Transfer Factor Plus, okay? Transfer Factor Plus. Kapag nagbenta tayo ng Transfer Factor Plus worth SRP price na nakuha lang natin sa redemption na binili lang natin ng 400 plus, and then we are going to sell it as SRP price. You know what? How much is that? That is 5,700. Kaya dyan mo na lang laruin yung price na discounted sila, pwede. Pero hindi tayo pwede magdi-discount sa members price. We can do discount on the SRP price, but not in the members price. Okay? So, binili mo ng 400 plus, binenta mo ng 5,700 as SRP price, magkano kinita mo? Still 5,000 plus. Okay? Then, it's good thing because it will add on to your inventory. Okay? Magkaroon ng additional inventory yung products mo na you can rolling and you can serve immediately your customer kasi meron kang naiipon through credit points na niredeem mo using the credit points because you are having your loyalty every month. Okay? You're placing loyalty every month. So, yun po yung ibig sabihin why we have to have loyalty every month. And then, one thing also, why we have to have a loyalty every month? Because, number one po, kung meron na po tayong sakit at meron po tayong kailangang i-maintain, instead of taking the synthetic, which can also damage other part of our organs inside our body, di ba? So, the moment we are having our loyalty, placing our loyalty every month, kung halimbawa may hypertension ka, may problem ka sa heart, okay? You can maintain the cardio. You can take the cardio every month, every day, kasi meron kang pang-maintain. So, at the same time, your family can use your redemption to take also to prevent from any diseases or illnesses, 'di ba? So, yun yung advantage, maraming advantage ang ating loyalty. So, at this moment, how are you going to have your yung mabuo na loyalty? From sharing the products to our neighbors, to our friends, to our compares, comadres, 'di ba? Yung mga taong alam natin na may sakit. We have to offer this kasi they need this, okay? And then not only that, kapag yung taong nangangailangan ng income, 'di ba? Through sharing the business, through sharing how potential our product is, then they will appreciate because they were able to try the product, then they would love to do the business. Hindi tayo mahirapan sa pag-convince sa kanila na mag-join into our for life business. So ang daming purpose why we have to place, why we should, okay? It's a significant, it's an essential, it is an important to place loyalty. So, para hindi nyo kukunin yung loyalty in your own pocket, then the product that you bought during the registration, yan yung iro-rolling ninyo. Kaya nga mas advantage pag 400 LP ang unang pasok, or you have to introduce that to your prospect na 400 LP because part of it is for you use mo for usage, and then for taking the product, and then the rest is for business. Kasi if you wanted to maintain, to prevent from any possible sakit, okay? So better, kailangan natin while doing the business, we are also preventing from securing ourselves sa mga sakit na pwede nating ma-encounter. And then, at the same time, kumikita ka, and then, sa kitang mong yan, okay, nakakatulong ka rin sa need ng family mo Okay? Ito ang maganda kasi sa For Life eh. Bumili ka na, may sukli ka pa, may libre ka pa, may take out ka pa. Okay? Especially when you are a member of Premier Loyalty Program. Pag once member kayo niyan, anything na ibibigay ng company, you have the privilege, you have all the opportunity, you have all the privilege to avail na lahat ng kung ano ibibigay ng company. So yun po yung reason, yun po yung maraming possible thing na maitulong sa atin ang system ng company, especially when we place loyalty. So kapag loyal ka, ang sabi nga ng company pag loyal ka, loyal din ako sa iyo. Lahat anong gusto mong kunin sa aking kumpanya, ibibigay ko sa iyo. And our company is very generous. Aside that our product is very potential pagdating sa prevention. And the good thing is potential to increase our livelihood, we increase our life na meron tayong good income. Okay? So this opportunity, galing ito sa taas, galing sa langit. Binigay ito sa atin. Okay? And this opportunity, let's use it as a tool. Okay? Sangkap to get our dreams in life. Ganun yun. Yung sangkap na yan, kumbaga, gagamitin natin yan. God give us the very huge, the very wide land. Kasi kailangan natin yung land gagamitin through the tools. And that tools is one way to dig. Let's dig on the land so that we can get different kinds of minerals. And what kinds of minerals are that? Okay? Those are gold, silver, okay, platinum, diamonds. Those are people who are going to help us to maintain our needs. Kasi we need those people. At ang ating kasangkapan is the opportunity from the For Life itself. Yung product na meron tayo, yung beautiful system, very systematic, napakagandang system, at tayo may pinakamagandang sistema na networking in the entire world. At ang tayo rin po ang may pinakamataas na pasweldo because up to 64% ang binibigay ng company. You see, hindi ka pa nagtatrabaho. When you are going to kung nag-sign up ka as 400 LP ka, hindi ka pa nagtatrabaho pero binibigyan ka na ng chance to unlock the 2.3 million for 1 year mo siyang i-achieve. See? That's how generous our company. Very kind. So, all we have to do is share the product, share the opportunity, and then the moment they were able to appreciate it, then they will engage to us. Then we have to teach them how to do it. Then, ganun lang, duplicate lang naman ang kailangan dito. Duplicating kung ano ang tinuturo ng inyong leader, sundin lang. And then, through that, nakikita niyo yung leader niyo na nagsiserve ng mga tao, you have also to serve. Because this kind of business is touching other people's lives through service. Okay? So yan, through a good relationship, build good relationship not only to our affiliates, not only to our customer, but yung relationship ng yung bang unity to build, to catch together our dreams to turn into reality. So yun lang naman po. So marami pong magandang magandang benefits, magandang benefits ang ating loyalty. So this time, as early as possible, I'm encouraging you to share your product. Ihanyag ninyo ang produkto nato na gwapo atong produkto that can prolong life, especially those who don't want to die agad-agad, na gusto pang makasalamuha ng matagal ang pamilya, especially mga anak, lalo na pag may mga apo. 'Di ba? So yun po yun. Yan po ang kalagahan. Okay? The essence of placing loyalty every month. Because through loyalty, We are extending our life, or giving prolongness of our life, and we are also extending help to others, okay? And then giving opportunity. We are sharing the tools to catch their dreams into reality. So yun lang po. So I hope po na you were able to understand the reasons why we had to place loyalty every month. So sasabihin ko sa inyo, hindi natin kukunin sa sariling bulsa ang ating paglo-loyalty every month. All you have to do is just share. Wala pong mawawala sa atin kung isinishare natin yung product. Ang mangyayari sa atin is we were able to help people. Not physically, not only physical matter, but of course in financial matter. Yun po yun. And then we touch people's lives. So nandun din yung growing of spiritual life. 'Di ba? Because helping other is a kind of spiritual approach. Yun. So, ganun lang po. So, I hope it will help to open up your mind so that you will know what's the deep purpose of having placing loyalty every month po. So, yun lang po at maraming salamat. God bless us all.